What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B. Hey man, I'm back at you with another video, man. I had to come on here to give a update. Some people asked me about a few things that I put on the bike just before I went to Daytona. So I'm here to do that review, and we're gonna get to it right after this, baby. Y'all, we rolling, man. Ha! So y'all, let's get into this review. A few people have been asking me about the seat, the Saddlemen tuck and roll seat. Great seat, y'all. Only thing, for long miles, you don't have a backrest, you might be in trouble. But other than that, you do have this for the lower lumbar support right here. But me, if you've seen a couple of my videos, how I pack, I put my Nelson bag right here. So that was for me to lean back on. So that was my backrest the whole trip down to Daytona. Cause you know your boy be crushing the miles. I got to at least be a little bit comfortable. So that really helps out right there. But the Saddlemen tuck and roll seat is way better than the SD seat to me. It's a lot softer. I don't have anything bad to say about the seat. The seat is a great seat. So if you're looking for a great seat, the Saddlemen tuck and roll seat is an awesome seat. Like I say, a few people asked me about the seat, how comfortable the seat is. Hey, just think, your boy be crushing 16, 17 miles. I mean, I'm saying miles, hours straight through. Your boy be crushing that many hours straight through like that. But the next thing, y'all, that I put these grips on just before I went to Daytona as well. If you got heated gloves, you good, man. But if you don't have heated gloves and you got heated grips, man, I would say stick with your grip till you get your heated gloves, because these are some excellent grips. I love it because I feel more connected to the bar and the road, man, because they not all big and squishy. I don't like the real soft one. I like the one that's just really firm, and that's how these are right here. Those are the Khrome Werks / Avon grips, y'all. That's the only way I can put it. But awesome grips, y'all. I'm telling you, I can actually almost wrap my hand around it. So it's just a real comfortable grip. So if you're in the market for some great grips, go to Khrome Werks, www.khromewerks.com, and check out the grips. And like I say, you can get these to match your end tip if you're rocking Khrome Werks already. So you know, match your end cap back there. But other than that, man, great grips, man. No complaints about it at all. But the next thing that I have on here that people been asking me about, the Ultra Cool, y'all. That's a must. That's a must. If you got a stage 2 and up, be honest, a stage 1. When I had a stage 1, my bike was getting hot then. So I'm pretty sure any bike that you crank up gonna get hot. If you got a stock bike, that boy gonna get hot. And sit in traffic long enough, I don't know what might happen to your bike. But I have seen people sit in traffic for a while and they have to get on side the road to turn the bike off. So me, what I did, I got my jumper. Let me get the jumper off the bike. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is what I did when I went to Daytona, y'all. You can actually hook the bike up, the Ultra Cool up, and run it without, let it turn on itself. You can run it like that if you want to. But for me, I was down there in that traffic, y'all, getting to the Daytona International Speedway and getting into the Harley dealership where all the vendors were. Hey, you was in a long line and people was cutting their bikes off. But I'm gonna tell you what I did. I got the Ultra Cool. If it get a certain temperature, it's gonna click on itself. But since I knew I was gonna be in traffic all day, I did what my boy Big Herc 80 did. I always keep my jumper in there. I just unplugged it from the bottom, plug the jumper up, and when you plug it up like that, and every time you turn the bike on, it automatically cut on right then and there. So your bike never get hot. And the bike ran oh man, it ran a whole lot better with this in there, and it's keeping that oil flow cool going through that bike. So like I say, 50% cooler with that oil, ultra cool, but I have the oil filter too, so that's 10%. So I was getting 60% cooler on this bike while I was in Daytona car. Y'all know it got hot sitting in those lines and stuff like that. It got really, really hot. So you get your ultra cool, make sure you keep this jumper on your bike because it will help you in the long run. If you get caught in traffic and your thing ain't cut on, your bike hadn't cut on your fan, hey, this will help. Just keep it on all day. So yeah, I heard my boy Big Herc 80 say he just had it in there. Man, I did the same exact thing when I heard him say it. I said, what's the use of waiting till the bike actually get hot and cut off and overheat, or wait till the fan cut on? Why not just run the fan all the time while it's hot? And pretty much probably during the summer, I'm gonna run this baby. I'm gonna just put it on there and I'm gonna run it all the time because Texas heat here, it gets really, really hot. So yeah, so ultra cool is a must. If you got a, like I say, stage 1 and up, get you, be honest, a stock. Get you an ultra cool, keep your bike cool, so you can keep it a long time, make sure it runs good, you know, it's not overheating. You have to pull over and get on side the road. So yeah, that is a plus, y'all, and a must. And the next thing, the tires that I got the Dunlap American Elite tires on here. Great tires, y'all. I noticed when I was doing my little races and stuff like that, I noticed with the stock wheel, the stock tire, I was spinning a lot. Even when I first put it on there and my tires was good, I was spinning a lot. But this boy here, oh, those tires are on point. So they, when I hit the throttle and take off, that boy would catch and hook, and I was on it. You can actually go back and check out the videos, just playing around with some friends, traveling tall. We was racing, and we probably shouldn't been, but just GQ and my boy Michael, man, and my boy Big Herc 80, we just had a good time, man. We had fun. It was all out of fun and love, and we had a great time. So, but these tires are great tires, man, and Khrome ran really good down the road, y'all. When you crushing 17 hours, 16 hours a day, even 10, even 8, if you crush that many hours a day, man, make sure your bike is up to par. Man, I'm grateful and I'm thankful for Black Gold Harley Davidson getting my bike right, getting it where it's road ready, and I'm putting the miles on it, and it's a proven fact that you can roll a big boy around country and you can do stuff in one day. Hey, I got a question for all of you all. Man, let me know how many miles did you crush in one day and how long did it take you? And but yeah, man, let me know that, because I'm a rider. A lot of people say they want to ride with me, but if you're not ready to ride with me, hey, I don't know what to tell you. But I'm gonna tell you like this, man. Just make sure you got the right stuff, the right grips, the right seat, your bike running good, and you can crush many miles as you want. Be honest, it's all in your head, man. As long as you good, your health is good, you're pretty good, and health, I'm okay. I ain't gonna tell my age, but yeah, I'm okay. I try to eat right and stuff like that. So yeah, I stopped eating meat. One big thing that's really, I can tell the difference and see the loss of weight. But make sure you're in pretty good condition when you ride long hours, man. Cause I'm planning on going up to Washington, D.C. I'm still trying to debate between that and Sturgis. And my boy Ripping on Twos asked me about Cali. So we might be going to California, man. So, but yeah, that's some free things that I got planned. And I'm going to a couple of MC rallies this year as well, y'all. So I got invited to come down to Columbus, Mississippi. I think it's the Jumper MCs down there. And I talked to my wife about it. And you know, my wife is from Mississippi, down there, Louisville, Columbus area. And what's that town? Little town. It's a little bit of town. Enobina, something like that. If I said it wrong, y'all correct me. It's down there in the Delta. So you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, but yeah, make sure these parts did well on this trip, y'all. And like I say, if you ever want to ride with me, have your mind made up. It's all in your mind, y'all. It's all in your mind. And make sure you don't eat a lot while you're on this road, man. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here, baby. But until next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed one. We rolling, man, and we out, baby. Love y'all, man. Thanks for the support, baby. Appreciate y'all.